find shelter with destructive straight line winds. The safest place to be during a tornado is in a basement. Get under a workbench or other piece of sturdy furniture. If no basement is available, seek shelter on the lowest floor of the building in an interior hallway or room such as a closet. Use blankets or pillows to cover your body, and always stay away from windows. If in mobile homes or vehicles, evacuate them and get inside a substantial shelter. If no shelter is available, lie flat in the nearest ditch, or on a low spot and cover your head with your hands. A tornado watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. Friday evening for southwest North Carolina and East Tennessee and southwest Virginia.
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a tornado warning for South Central Hunterdon County in northwestern New Jersey, northwestern Mercer County in central New Jersey, east central Bucks County in southeastern Pennsylvania until 6:15 p.m. At 5:50 p.m., a confirmed dangerous tornado was located near Lumberville, or 16 miles northwest of Trenton, moving southeast at 25 miles per hour. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Take cover now. Hazard, damaging tornado. Source, radar confirmed tornado. Impact, you are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely, and complete destruction is possible. Locations impacted include Trenton, Ewing, Doylestown, Byram, Pennington, New Hope, Yardley, Newtown, Stockton, Washington Crossing, Gardenville, Lawrenceville, Lumberville, Woodside, Rickboro, Levittown, Lombardville, Woodburn, Newtown Grant, and Fairless Hills. This includes Interstate 295 in New Jersey between mile markers 70 and 76. To repeat, a large, extremely dangerous and potentially deadly tornado is occurring. To protect your life, take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm, and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 6:15 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey: Hunterdon and Mercer, and Bucks, Pennsylvania.
National Weather Service in Milwaukee has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Waukesha County in southeastern Wisconsin until 10 p.m. At 9:32 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Big Bend or near Mukwonago, moving northeast at 20 miles an hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Muskego around 9:55 p.m., Waukesha, New Berlin, and Pewaukee around 10 p.m. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. National Weather Service in Indianapolis has issued a tornado warning for northeastern Daviess County, Greene County, northern Martin County until 10:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 9:31 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado. This dangerous storm was located near Linton, or 30 miles southeast of Terre Haute, and moving southeast at 35 miles per hour. In addition, at Midland, rotating wall cloud was reported by train spotters at 9:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time with this storm. This storm has a history of producing ping-pong-size hail as well. Locations impacted include Bloomfield, Worthington, Swift City, Lyons, Newberry, Crane, Burns City, Owensburg. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home, a vehicle, or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.